All right, 225. Really didn't swing that around there enough. I had this resistor parked. I don't know why I thought I didn't. Well, not parked, but close to it. Phone receiver away on accident. Maybe a watt on backhand. Circle one. I'll go with a watt first if I can keep it low enough. Another putt. You're trying to hyzer this downward. Take a birdie. I earned that birdie. But yeah, 185. We'll go floaty watt. Throw a couple on it. A little short, but that actually leaves a pretty solid birdie opportunity there. All right, another birdie. I do have the creek on the left, so I'm going to try to pull this right. Fades, that'll leave me a putt. The hohem is actually really nice for setting up the back here. All right, take another birdie. Good to see that the putting isn't terrible today. Hold it a little bit right, and it's going to be a little bit short. So, deep circle 2, probably 60-footer. Bonus birdie play from this spot. Should just say low chances of making the birdie. Doesn't change what kind of birdie it would be. But sometimes you just gotta birdie it anyways. Give me that. Give me that. But Disc Smith, tell us how you manage to miss 14-foot putts. Well, some would call it luck, I guess. I would call it, well, luck. 215, so we're gonna go Envy. That black Envy should be parked. Yeah, I mean, Watt and Envy are right next to each other. For the sake of time, we're gonna pick them up and go. I mean, I guess I could throw this in if it's quote unquote parked, right? Envy forehand. And we're gonna throw it in crazy turn right before that tree kind of come out of it a little bit. I just didn't get it to come out of it. Other than that, is what I wanted. The black one, I believe, is what I threw first. I wonder if it hit this bush. I thought the black one would be parked. It did. It's in this bush. So, let's see if we can make a standstill putt with a NV putter here. Twice Earth's luck. 3 times a lady. 4 times. Oh. There's always one, you know. There's always one that ruins it for everyone else. Oh, we got a creek on the right. Can't go Watt. So I'm just gonna kind of lay up a forehand to the left-hand side. After my forehand has not been good, I'm gonna really swing it out and try to get it to land around the telephone post. Keep it low too. But had I known this open area was here, probably still not running it, to be honest with you, because it's just not worth it. I don't have any water putters in my bag, otherwise I would. I need to get some cheap DX or, you know, baseline plastic putters. It's actually almost parked. I didn't realize how close the cell phone post was to the basket. 300 foot, you could just go full rip mid-range. I'm gonna try full power hyzer flip berry. I yanked it right, trying to get all that power on it. Let's try down and go right. Yeah, that's why we like the hohem. We can just use a little thumb controller and change the camera angle without having to adjust any legs. You get to stare at my ass while I miss this putt. Here, I'll make some room for you. Springfield Disc Golf Course has been conquered, I guess you could say. I don't know. I definitely threw my share of bad shots, but nice course. The only thing that detracts me from it is the driving downtown part of it. Downtown sucks, but it was a good course.